Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can lock layers in Sketchbook. Keep watching the video till the end. To lock layers in Sketchbook, firstly open up your Sketchbook application. The home page of Sketchbook application will appear on the screen. Create a sketch, add text or images as you like in it. After you're done sketching, add a layer by tapping on layer icon at the top right corner of the screen. You can add more layers by tapping on plus icon on the right side. Now, to lock layers, click on lock icon just below the eye icon inside the box. Tap on the lock icon and that is how you will be able to lock layers in Sketchbook quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.